How to delete Spotify account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can delete your Spotify account, so make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you'd like to basically delete your Spotify account, it's actually very simple. All you have to do is just go to spotify.com, then make sure to click the profile icon here, and then just go to this option known as support. Once you come to support, you're going to be able to see this sort of interface, where what you need to do is in the search bar over here, you simply want to type in closing your Spotify account, or maybe just keyword as such, and you'll find a search result that is closing your account and deleting your data. Make sure to click on that search result. Now there are two ways to delete it, if you got premium or if you don't have premium. So if you have a premium here, click on this link. If you don't have premium like me, click on this link, that is close your account and delete your data. So make sure to just select that option here. Select your reason as to why you want to delete it. Make sure to click on the close account option, select your correct account, click on continue, and what do you need to know, you can select this, click on continue option. After you've done that, check your email address to close, and once you actually go ahead and then click on the link, your account will get successfully closed. This way you'll be able to delete your Spotify account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.